Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Technology Trends, your go-to destination for the latest in smartphone innovations. Before we dive into today's exciting reveal, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update. Vivo is set to shake up the smartphone market with its upcoming release, the Vivo T4 Ultra, launching on June 11th. This device promises flagship-level features at a mid-range price point. Let's explore what makes this phone a potential game-changer. The Vivo T4 Ultra boasts a 1.5K quad-curved OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling experiences. The sleek design is complemented by a unique marble patterned finish, making it as stylish as it is functional. Under the hood, the T4 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, featuring an ARM Cortex-X4 Prime core, clocked at up to 3.4 GHz. This setup ensures robust performance for multitasking, gaming, and more. While photography enthusiasts will appreciate the dual 50MP camera setup, including a periscope telephoto lens, offering up to 10x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. This makes the T4 Ultra a standout choice for capturing detailed shots from a distance. Equipped with a 5,500 mAh battery and supporting 90-watt wired fast charging, the T4 Ultra ensures you stay powered throughout the day with minimal downtime. We'll take over on Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. The device offers a user-friendly interface and a suite of customization options to enhance your smartphone experience. The Vivo T4 Ultra is expected to be priced starting at 34,990 rupees in India and will be available through Flipkart, Vivo's official e-store, and select offline retailers. War Takeover rupees at same 2012. Online specs, with its impressive specs and competitive pricing, the Vivo T4 Ultra is poised to be a strong contender in the smartphone market. Are you excited about this launch? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts.